2011 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, something special. Got stock converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then it's got that dreaded third cat, flex pipe. And we put a CARVEN TR Performance part number CVE-TR 30. Made in the USA. Can't beat the USA. Here it is, CVE-TR 30. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we continued his tailpipe and put a massive 6-inch tip right there. It looks awesome with a 6-inch tip. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Helps us keep going. Give it gas. No. There you go. What do you think? You can't get no deeper than that, bro. CARVEN Type R. 6-inch tip. Rev it higher. And let go. Rev it. There you go. Sound decibels 105 again. It's got a rev limiter on it that sticks. The rev limiter. There's a muffler and tailpipe we cut off, a resonator. Put a 6-inch tip in its place. Go ahead and back it out. It sounds good on idle too. It's not too loud. Yeah. Okay, put it in park, give it gas again. That's so deep. Wow, CARVEN Type R. TR. That is so deep, man. That 6-inch tip helped it a lot. Again? Wow, that's sexy. That's really sexy. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Avalanche 2011. 6-inch tip and CARVEN Type R 9-inch bottled muffler. Look at that, an idle smooth.